Now learn how to make this cool rainbow text effect in DaVinciResolve. So first off, drag text plus title and customize it to your likings. I'm just gonna make it rainbow, increase the size a bit so you can see it. Now I'm just gonna add an outline for this text, make it a figure. Okay, now, and if we make sure you're in shading tab and in element 1, and in the color click on red and expression. This will open this little command bar, and now paste the script L4 in the description, and make sure to change the speed with the number of how fast you want the rainbow to change. So in my example I'm gonna change it to 0.2. Okay, so now copy this and do the same with the green channel, but for this one, next to the speed add plus space 2. Now do the same thing with the blue channel, and behind the speed add space plus 4. Okay, so now if we look at this, the text now changes in a rainbow order. Now I'm gonna spice this effect even more and add a glow. So in the fusion page I'm gonna add soft glow, adjust it, and boom, look at it.